If your computer seems sluggish and the programs you're running seem to take up a lot of time to load, then it's time to upgrade your computer. Ask yourself whether a component upgrade is worth it before you get started. When you know what you're doing, excuse me, upgrading computer components can help in certain situations, but it's important to weigh the time and cost of making the upgrade. If you plan to upgrade your computer, I suggest you check out Amazon PC components deals, PC component deals. Lots of their stuff are on sale. Kindly check the link below to know more.